Welcome everyone. I'm just a layman who is documenting his views and experiences here on YouTube. This time I'm doing a video about a small ring light that I got from B&M for only £10. Let's start with the unboxing and then I'll tell you what I think about it. So let's get started. This is the box the light comes in. It has an inbuilt controller. It also has a flexible phone cradle. You can use this light for live streaming. You can use it to make video calls. You can use it as a selfie light, and you can also do makeup and videos using this light, and it's only £10. Let's open the box and see what's inside. I'm going to turn the light on and you guys can see what it can do. Alright guys, so I have set the ring light up and it's not on, so you can see the amount of light that I have on my face. Now let's turn it on and see what happens. So this is the mixed light, this is the cool white, and this is the warm white. And it's on full brightness, and I'm just going to decrease the brightness bit by bit until it goes to the lowest level. I think this is the lowest level, and let's turn it back up to full brightness. And I like the cool white. So yeah, tell me how I look. So in my opinion, for this price, I think the light does a pretty good job. It's portable, you can take it with you, it won't take a lot of space, and and I think it's worth the £10 that I spent, and I probably will be using it in my videos from now on. So until next time, bye.